Hi everyone, I'm sorry if I'm uploading this video at 10 o'clock during the midnight. Just went out to Solving for a bit to enjoy myself. Anyways, I'm feeding my sister's guinea pig right here. His name is Spooky. We had him for a while. I mean, he's so adorable. I'm gonna cut him some apples in a bit, but for right now I just want to introduce you to him, to his YouTube fans. Let's see if I could try to not let him escape, but pet him. No, publish. His name is Spooky, but we call him the publish. Wait, let's hear him purr. Alright, let me just close that cage before he runs out, because he does have a tendency to do that. Okay. Now, let's feed him some apples. So I'll be right back. Welcome back, everyone. It is time that I feed the spooky guinea pig, or the papash as we call it. Slang we call our guinea pig. Oh, what happened to the camera? Yikes. Give me a minute. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. Change the filter. Let's feed him some apples. We'll put another one in there. Alright, got some other pieces. Give them there. Sorry about that. Had to feed him. Well, look at this cute little critter eating some apples, aren't you? You can hear him eating and chopping it. There's the apples right there. And now we're going to get to my part. So let's just let him enjoy his food and move on to the next part of the video. But first, let me get a little bit more of that. Just so adorable. Alright, let's move on to me opening my Matchbox 1979 Chevy Nova. Alright, after I fed the guinea pig Spooky, which we could have named him Nippy, but my sister did not like that name or did not agree on it. Here we go. We're going to unbox this Matchbox right here. Matchbox 1979 Chevy Nova. I actually kind of like the second gen Nova, a part of the Chevrolet and Matchbox factory series. Chevy Nova 1979. It's a General Motors car used under license. I like how they're getting creative with this stuff. To be honest, I kind of miss the Hero City era. Even though they were targeted for kids, I'm still a kid at heart. But I'd like to see this car recolored or be made as a Mad Max car, MFP car. Or it would be kind of cool if Matchbox did a Demolition Derby. Oh, shoot. Something's wrong with my camera. Sorry if I sound a little southern or the accent I'm speaking with. The reason why I'm speaking with a low voice right now, or indoor voice, because my father is asleep. So I'm uploading this video in the midnight. And enough of that. Let us open this Chevy Nova up. It's time to be free. Goodbye, package. Look at that beautiful car. Yep, it's like a little shiny blue. Would be nice if the rear bumper were painted, and including the tail lights and front lights and grille. Give me a minute. I want to see how well this can roll. Wow, absolutely stunning. Usually my Matchbox cars would roll noisy like zzz. Let's look at the copyright and all this stuff down here. 1979 Chevy Nova, 2020 Matchbox. Yeah, this would make a great Mad Max car. If I were in the main Force Patrol, I would have drove this car probably, but the sirens on top and the yellow, red, white, and blue striping on the side. MFP right here. Interceptor or Pursuit. Yellow rims or silver rims. That would be a nice looking car. As Matthew McConaughey will say, alright. Kind of wish the interior was a different color. But, anyways. That's my dollar store gas tanker right there. My Hot Wheels Chevy Nova. Oh, what happened there? I mean, Chevelle. So I'm getting mistaken here. And my Matchbox 1979 Chevy Nova. So, let me know what you think. Give me your thoughts on the Chevy Nova or your opinion, if you're a fan or not. Doesn't matter. I'll still respect that. Anyways, have a good night because it's the nighttime right now. Comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends or anyone that's a part of Diecast collecting. Anyways, everyone, goodbye now. I'll try to upload as much because I've been having bad luck uploading videos lately. Anyways, good night to you all.